If you're wondering how you can enable or disable snore detection on the Galaxy Fit 3, so in this video I will show you how you can do that. First of all, just swipe up and open the app drawer, then go to Settings. In Settings, just tap on Health, and over here just tap on the Sleep section. Now at the bottom of the page you will find the option of snore detection. Just tap on it, and once you do that, it will ask you to download Samsung Health on your smartphone. Now just tap on Download. And once the app is downloaded, just tap on Open, tap on Sign In, then tap on Continue. And from here, just tap on Next, tap on Continue, and select Allow. Now just select what you want to focus on. For example, I will select Sleep, then tap on Next, tap on Start, and select Agree. Tap on Settings, then enable this toggle. After you enable this toggle, then go back. And once you have set up Samsung Health on your smartphone, now on your Galaxy Fit 3, just tap on snore detection. And on your smartphone, this notification will pop up. Now just enable this toggle. Select while using the app and tap on OK. Now if you want to enable snore detection always, just select always, or you can select once. And if you select once, your band will measure snoring for one sleep session, then it will turn it off automatically. Now I will select always. And once you do that, you will enable snore detection on your Galaxy Fit 3. Just like that. Now to turn off snore detection, just turn it off from your smartphone. As you can see, this is the feature of snore detection. Now just disable this toggle. And once you do that, you will turn off snore detection on your Galaxy Fit 3. And this is it. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.